Solo is about a lot of things. It's about self-reliance. It's about reflection and sort of unplugging from the universe. And it's about recalibration. The whole pilot course before you get to solo, a whole lot of stuff is happening. It's busy, busy, busy. And the group is doing this and the group is doing that. And you're building skills so that you can get to solo, amongst other things. But solo comes and there's no one else that's going to set up your tarp for you, or make sure that the bugs don't get in, or that the rain doesn't come through, or that you actually tie your knots for you. So the self-reliance factor is huge, because it's just you.
During that time, you definitely get to reflect on a bunch of stuff you never thought you'd have time to look back on.
There's very few times in the current modern world that we live in this society where we get a chance to be completely unplugged and not have anybody else around and just have to sit in our own skin. And that can be a really powerful experience for students. It can be hard, it can be challenging, but at the end of the day, it's about taking that time to reflect. Who am I when there's nobody else around? And what are the thoughts that start creeping back in? The third piece is about recalibration. Recalibration is about, who do I want to be for the rest of this course? Who do I want to be after Outward Bound? So there's some time spent, whether it is writing a letter home to yourself, or writing a letter to your folks, or to a mentor, that's about recalibrating priorities, priorities on course, how I show up as a human, how do I show up at home or in my community, where am I going with my life? And when life is reduced to those simple pieces of food, water, shelter, there's a lot of time to think about that stuff.
It's definitely something that I won't forget, because I gotta take another look at my past and what I want to do in my future.